Oh, yeah. Well, I'm glad you told you because I was thinking about, I was going to tell you. The one shirt.
Karen, kitty cat, press the terrace level. Yes, meow meow.
Thank you, Katerina.
Oh, this is going to be another elevator at the Atria and Oakridge retirements in Raleigh, North Carolina. Dean Turner, press the 4-4 button and Ugga Mugga. And Ugga Mugga.
All right. Yeah, you want to go on? Okay.
Yeah. Dean Tucker, Karen, Kitty Cat, and Prince once he got a chance to. Bastie's 2,500 pounds, still in 2009. And yeah, Dean Tucker, Prince once and Karen, Kitty Cat, and all Dean Tucker, Karen, Kitty Cat, and Prince once are all chance.
They all got a turn.
Karen, Kitty Cat, press the second full button. Yes, meow meow.
I like it when we can share. Take turns.
Dean Tucker, press the terrace level. Ugga Mugga.
Thank you, Daniel Tiger. Ooh, toes. 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 Heels. Heels.
And Karen, Kitty Cat, press the full button. Ugga Mugga.
That's fire.
Hold on.
Come on, slide, morph, nation, slide.
Take